Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch the common blue butterfly in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this game, usually we get a mission to catch certain insect, and for today's quest, I need to catch one common blue butterfly. And then guys, I'm going to show you where you can exactly find the common blue butterfly. So you can find it at the central square. You can go to the central square, and this is the common blue butterfly. Oh, where is it? Oh my god, it's gone. But yeah, the location is at the central square. So you can go to the central square and you can do insect catching right here. Okay, and well, let me show you the information about the common blue butterfly. Okay, this one. Oops, sorry, this one. And for the active period, guys, basically it's active every day. And for the weather condition, you can catch it during the sunny days and rainy days or during the rainbow event. And for the source, it's at the central square or central area. I almost catch the common blue butterfly, but it's gone. But okay guys, that's how we can catch the common blue butterfly in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!